If you're owner of a Ram 1500 5.7 with the eTorque option between 2019 and 2024 model year, and you have a problem with the eTorque MGU, or also known as the alternator, and currently there is a national back order on the whole unit. So if you're stranded, we have the ultimate solution of the MGU rebuild kits. So this rebuild kit enables you as a shop owner or a DIY truck owner to rebuild your MGU or alternator. So within our rebuild kit, you will find the two SKF rotor bearings for the MGU units. These come as an option only if you want to buy our rebuild kit with the bearings, because a lot of the rebuilder shops or remanufacturing shops already have your own source of bearings, so these are optional. Over here, this is the key part. Right here you have the resolver stator. This is a position sensor for the MGU unit. This is equivalent of the crank position sensor as to an engine. When the MGU units are wearing out initially, what gets damaged first are the bearings. So the bearings gets worn out first. Once the bearings start to go, the amount of play between the rotor of the motor and the stator of the MGU units will increase, and the rotor of the resolver, which is on one end of the shaft, will collide internally with the resolver stator. Once the collisions start happening, these copper windings will start shorting out. And once these are shorted out, the MGU units will lose the position and RPM data. And thus, the MGU units will no longer be able to charge or output power to keep your truck running. So once you have the kit, we will also provide you with a pin removal tool. As you can see, on the new resolver unit, we already installed the pins for you. However, there is not going to be a plug for you to plug into the MGU units, and this is intentional because what you will do is use the pin removal tool, take out the pins on the old resolver, and reinstall the new resolver in by the color. So you are going to put in the same color pin into the same color slot that was originally of the same color. And then you will be able to use the original plug wiring harness and also reuse the temperature sensor on the side. If you are a truck owner who currently have a eTorque truck that is unable to charge and is unable to drive, or you are a remanufacturing shop who is looking to rebuild these MGU units for the Ram trucks, don't hesitate to contact us.